There's a place where the boat leaves from. It takes away all of your big problems. You got worries, you could drop them in the blue ocean, but you gotta get away to where the boat leaves from. Take 1 part sand, 1 part sea, and 1 part shade of a 9 tree. And the drinks set cold and the reggae is hot, and I know this is the place for me. Get away to where the boat leaves from. It takes away all of your big problems. You got worries, you could drop them in the blue ocean, but you gotta get away to where the boat leaves. Jimmy. You're right there. There's a perfectly good island somewhere where a ride that floats, and don't grab your coat, you won't need it where we are going. Get away to where the boat leaves from. It takes away all of your big problems. You could worries, you could drop them in the blue ocean, but you got